Sabudana can be eaten in many forms like khichdi, kheer, etc. Today I'm going to make vadas out of it. Hello and welcome to Rajshri Food. I'm your host Ruchi Bharani. Let's begin with the recipe of Sabudana Vada. Let's start with soaking the sabudana. I have a cup of sabudana here that I've washed thoroughly. Into this I'm going to add in 1.5 cup of water. If you're in a hurry, you can always use lukewarm water to pre-soak this and then just soak it for half an hour. Otherwise, I'm going to soak this for 3 hours. So after 3 hours, they absorb all the water and this is how they look. They basically fluff up. Now into this, I'm going to add in a few ingredients. First goes in chilli paste, 1.5 teaspoons. Tear in a few curry leaves. 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves, juice of half a lemon, 2 teaspoons of sugar, salt to taste. I'm also going to add in some potatoes, so I'm going to add a little more. Just mix all the ingredients and just mash the sabudana. Next, teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds, 3/4 cup of coarsely ground peanuts, 4 small potatoes mashed. Let's mix everything together. Make sure the potato is nicely mixed. This is done and now let's shape them. Apply a little bit of oil onto your palms because it's quite sticky. Take a small portion of the mixture and shape them into flat rounds. And let's add these into the oil. Make sure the oil is nice and hot. Don't try and fiddle with them till they are half done because they tend to stick to the spatula. And make sure you fry them on high flame. Flip them over. Once they get a nice golden brown color, let's get these out. A tempting snack can be enjoyed any time of the day. You can have it with chutney or during the fasting period it's served with sweet curd. So do give this a try, comment below and don't forget to subscribe to Rajshri Food. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.